This will be setup of Reolink Wi-Fi. Have your Reolink app here. Get your SD card installed on your camera. We'll plug it in a moment.
Welcome to Reolink. Please install Reolink app and scan the QR code on the camera.
So we're going to try and do this real quick because it's going to go through about every other language. You're going to hit the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner here. You're going to scan the QR code on the top of this. Home hub or standalone. We're going to do this as standalone. All right, configure Wi-Fi. We're going to put in my Wi-Fi credentials. After inputting my Wi-Fi credentials, got to create a password for just this device. We're going to turn off the illegal lockout. Once you put in your password for the device, it'll let you know if it's good or not. We'll hit next. Where is this going to be located? I'm going to say this is the garage. I do have a micro SD card in there, so it's going to format it. Yep. If you don't have a micro SD card, it will continue to nag you until you put one in there. And then last is the QR code that I am not showing you if you want to share this device with family or friends. And then right there is a live feed for the camera. So that was setup.